Hi, my name is Zoe. I am putting together another video because my last video that I put on this channel was a little tour of my apartment, mine and my boyfriend. His name is Tyler, and I know he's going to be watching this because he gets the notifications. Hi, baby. I love you. A tour of our apartment together because at that time I thought that we'd be here for a little bit and I wanted to have memory of this home. However, it is Friday, May 15th, 2020, and today we are getting keys for our new house. Before we moved into this apartment, we're back and forth of trying to rent a home just so we can kind of get out of the apartment life. I do have a 5-year-old stepdaughter, so we wanted to make sure that we had, her own bedroom and space for her to play and whatnot. And this apartment gave that to us. However, temporarily, we quickly realized that after 5 months of still living in an apartment, even though we had a little bit more space, we really just want to get out of the apartment life. We are not in the position to buy anything. We didn't buy a house. That is definitely in our future plans, maybe a 10-year plan. But this home kind of happened quickly. We went and saw it one day, and then the next day we signed a lease on it. Everything just kind of fell into place. And now we're moving. So I wanted to just do a little intro video because once we get the keys later this afternoon, I'm going to do maybe an empty house tour and just kind of show around the house. I figured it'd be nice to have a little vlog because this home we plan to be in for 5+ years. So yeah, I hope whoever's watching this enjoys the empty house tour of our new home to us. The house right now, everything's empty. But I'm going to start outside and work my way in and walk inside. So I'm gonna go outside. This is the front of the house. That's the patio. And I have a flower bed and a window. You walk right into the living room, and that's the inside of it's called a bow window. So a pretty big living room. So then front door again, and that is a coat closet. You'll notice all of the windows and trim is just original, plain basic wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but all original, so there's a lot of character. And then it opens up into the kitchen. So it kind of feels like one big great room, but it still has that separation. And so this is the dining area of the kitchen. That's a window to the backyard. And then this is actually a window to the garage. This is the garage door, and the garage was an add-on. I don't know when, but it was an add-on. So there was originally a window there and they just left it there, which, again, character. Or if Tyler is working in the garage, I can see him. So then this is the full kitchen. So we love the wood cabinetry. We'll probably spruce it up just with new kitchen handles or something like that, or cabinet handles. And then this is a brand new countertop that they just put in, stove, and then tons of cabinets. And then, okay, so before I go into the hallways, the other side of the house, we'll go in the garage. And so this is the garage. It steps down. It's really dirty right now, but just a single car garage. And it's vaulted ceilings, so there's a little storage up there, but not much. But then on this side, there is a nice, already, well, it's not nice, but it'll work. Tyler can fix it up. A work table area and this extra space down here. So this is the garage. Okay, so now turning back around. I am going to start on this side of the house. So this hallway, you walk down, and this first door on the left is the bathroom. And now the bathroom is not updated or anything like that. And it's actually a walkway bathroom. There's another door on the other side, and that leads to the other hallway of the house. So just kind of a pedestal sink with a little bit of space underneath, tub, shower, toilet area. There is a nice little cabinet above there, but you know, this is definitely a room that we'll need to spruce up ourselves. And then this old actual medicine cabinet. So then back through the hallway, this door right here is a linen closet, which I'm really excited about. Tons of cabinets or shelving actually already in there, and then some good space at the bottom just for storage and whatnot. So I'm excited about that. So then this first room on the right is the smallest room, but we're not gonna make it an office or anything like that, or a playroom, you know, it'll just be the nursery for now. But this is the smallest bedroom. It has double windows right there, a nice big window. And then this is pretty much it. We'll definitely have to paint in here and whatnot. Has a basic, you know, kids light fixture. Has this indent in the wall, and then just a basic small closet right there. And that's that bedroom. So then this is the end of the hallway. This is bedroom number 2, the middle bedroom. And this will be Kinley's bedroom. So this room has 2 windows, 1 on each wall, and then a double closet as well. This is actually a decent sized room. We'll be painting in there for sure for Kinley's room. So then this bedroom, again on the other side of the hallway, is the biggest. Now all the bedrooms are actually only like technically 1 foot bigger than the other, but this is the biggest on this side of the hallway. So this will be our bedroom. Again, a basic bedroom, 2 windows on each wall. So our fan is actually smaller, but the nicest of all the 3, so we like that fan. And then a double closet, which, but yeah, all the bedrooms are pretty basic. We'll definitely just need to spruce them up and clean them up with, you know, new fresh paint. We'll definitely always keep all the wood, the closets, the trim, windows, all of that. So then back out, this is the hallway. So I'm gonna turn this way, back through the kitchen. And then this side of the kitchen is the other hallway. And so this is bathroom, that's that other door of the bathroom, basement, and then backyard door. So, and like I said, this is like the most outdated of all the house. And then going down to the basement. The basement is actually unfinished, and because we had that big storm yesterday, there is water leaking. But we did have really big plans for the basement. We're still gonna try to make it work with making this space like livable and usable and not just a storage basement. But we're still working it out with what we can and can't remodel, fix, etc. in the house. So the stairs, just basic wood stairs, something we would spruce up and refinish. But we loved that there was this wood paneling, and then the top of the wall was just plain white. We thought that gave it some nice character. We like that aspect. So then this side over is all unfinished, and this is where, you know, we need to clean up and kind of spruce it up. This is where the water leaked through the most. That's because there are like the basement windows down here and whatnot, furnace, all of that. But then this side, actually around the corner, is the only place that has like drywall up on the walls actually. So I'm gonna turn one of the lights on. This is storage. We'll probably close that off somehow. This is another closet, just crappy storage. That's already closed off, but there's nothing in there. So then on this side, this is where like it leaked through. This is more of the, so let me start back over here. It goes all the way around. This is a really big basement actually. It's just not a finished basement. So there is this huge like work table bench here, not even a bench, like a work table, that Tyler will either again use as a work table, or I'll have it down here for laundry and I'll do a cute laundry setup or something like that, because then right here is the washer dryer. And look, they had clothespins and like hangers up here. So they were clearly hang drying their clothes. But then just little stuff like this, like we have to clean up, and we really want to spruce up the place, kind of make it, you know, like I said, livable. But then through here, which I'm gonna walk back around and show you, but then on this side of the stairs in the corner is more of a actual work area. So to give you a layout, those are the stairs. This is where I just came from. Here we go. So then on this side behind the stairs is where that like little work area is. So like utility sinks, tons of pipes, but they do have this big built-in with shelves. Tyler will probably make this side of the downstairs, you know, we'll have laundry on this side and then workspace on this side with just things that aren't car related in the garage. But then, and there's this side right around the corner here that is actually the only place with, I don't even know what you call it. It's green board. Like it's essentially the stuff that you put on the walls to finish it. And so this is a whole nother side. Like this is a great big room plus another little back area of room. And so you can see where like the water leaked down. Yesterday was a really bad storm. So, but we had planned to make this kind of a living space and like a hangout basement area, since it's technically the only place that is kind of finished. So we're working on getting approval and like kind of cleaning this up too. We're definitely not going to remodel or anything or like make it a finished basement, but just more so livable to where we can put things on the wall, bring a couch down here. So we're gonna walk back up, turn the lights off. Okay, we're gonna walk back upstairs. And this is the base or the backyard then. So I'm gonna open this door. I actually really love this paint color. It's like a nice blue gray, but this then, we don't have like a patio or a deck or anything. This is only the only flooring out here. So that is our shed, a beautiful tree. There's a swing on there that we're gonna make a new swing for. And then that is actually a fire pit area that we're gonna spruce up and clean. And these poles are actually like clothesline poles, but we'll either, you know, spruce those up or just take them down. We won't necessarily use them, I don't know, but. And then we have this beautiful tree. So then the back of our yard is just cornfields. And behind that tree in the shed, it does go about another like 10 feet deeper. So this is our nice little yard. Okay, back inside. And this is our new little house. So we're excited. We just got the keys. So literally it's empty. Nothing is moved in yet, but